Well, the theatre is so successful and we get a lot of people in the theatre, and we had a circulation problem. So we decided that we would build an extension. We looked at lots of designs and the planning department wanted chrome and glass and that sort of thing. We were quite concerned that it wanted to look modern and it wanted to look good, and I think we've actually achieved that. Lots of glass and lots of nice framework. We did some research and we decided upon Origin. It was mentioned by the builder. Apparently he had used Origin before with great success, and it was put to me and the committee, and we decided to go with Origin on the recommendations. We liked the look of it, we liked the reliability of it, it slides very easily, and you cannot get your fingers trapped. Light was an important factor in our thinking of what we do with the outside, and because that quite literally the whole wall of the lounge is glass, satisfies our requirements entirely.
It really invites people in. I know that when I saw it for the first time, it was such a spectacle. The doors were so open and really made me want to have a look inside. I've never seen it before. They just make the theatre look so modern. Trying to fit 180 people in this small room, it doesn't work very comfortably. But you open the doors in seconds and the room triples in size. We can have the outside in, the inside is pretty much out. It attracts attention when people are spilling out of the room. It's lovely to see. Backstage, it's not what you want after a show to come into a closed off room. This room is so bright and open now, and it's just what performers want after a heavy evening.
Previously, the box office and foyer used to be quite dark and cramped. However, since the extension, it's now spacious and flooding with light.